India is shining bright with the prospects of energy transition by treading a strong renewable energy path. Various actions initiatives are being taken from time to time for achieving India's development ambitions. To bring a holistic picture of all energy resources of India at one place, the policy think tank of the Government of India, Niti Aayog, along with the Indian Space Research Organisation, has launched a comprehensive geographic information system, Energy Map of India, with the support of Energy Ministry of India. The Geospatial Energy Map of India was launched by Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog, Dr. Rajiv Kumar, during an event that also witnessed the presence of member of Niti Aayog, Dr. V.K. Saraswat, and CEO of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant, along with Chairman of ISRO and Secretary Department of Space, Dr. K. Sivan. The CEO of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant, said, "Partnership with ISRO shows our ability to deliver unique results through collaboration. This applies in great measure to GIS."
India has opened up various aspects of energy exploitation, generation, conversion, transmission, and consumption for private sector. Energy markets have immense potential to bring in efficiency gains. With this thought, Niti Aayog collaborated with the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, to develop a comprehensive geospatial energy map of India. The GIS-based energy map of India will be useful for infrastructure planning, investment guidance for financial institutions, interstate and intersector coordination, and environmental conservation measures. The GIS mapping of energy assets will be advantageous to all concerned stakeholders and will help in accelerating the policy-making process.
Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog, Rajiv Kumar, also mentioned that fragmented data has been brought together. Geospatial energy map can be a great research instrument. This will add to the bouquet of efforts by Niti Aayog to improve data availability in the energy sector.
As a part of its mandate, numerous initiatives have been taken by Niti Aayog to improve the data quality, bridge the data gaps, and collaborate with knowledge partners and international think tanks. We do this to understand the best practices across the world and adopt them in India. The Geospatial Energy Map of India is another endeavor to provide a holistic picture of the energy assets in India. The map is designed to facilitate integrated planning for energy sector in India. The energy maps have been prepared in consultation with all the relevant energy ministries, and I am sure it will be utilized and appreciated by researchers both within the government and outside universities and other research think tanks.
The joint endeavour of Niti Aayog and ISRO, Geospatial Energy Map, is aimed at enabling a holistic, comprehensive information system to aid the formulation and evaluation of policies for an evidence-led energy sector. The GIS map provides a comprehensive picture of all energy resources of India, which enables visualization of energy installations such as oil and gas wells, conventional power plants, petroleum refineries, coal fields and coal blocks, district-wise data on renewable energy power plants, among others, through 27 thematic layers. The 27 layers from multiple sources will not only benefit policy development planning but also aid investment guidance for financial institutions, disaster management and emergency response. Liberalization of geospatial sector, the GIS energy map identifies and locates all primary and secondary sources of energy and their transportation, transmission networks to provide an inclusive view of energy production and distribution in India. It is the first such example of the liberalization of the geospatial sector. The GIS energy map will provide inputs for formulating and evaluating policies, assisting not only the Ministry of Energy and Department in policy formulation, but also encouraging private sector participation in the energy sector. India has opened up various aspects of energy exploitation, generation, conversion, transmission, consumption to the private sector as energy markets have immense potential to bring in efficiency gains. GIS Energy Map is a unique effort aimed at bringing scattered energy data across multiple organizations in one place. The Energy Map showcases consolidated, visually appealing and graphical energy maps through the latest advancements in web GIS technology and open space software. Thus, the Geospatial Energy Map of India will be useful in planning and making investment decisions. It will also aid in disaster management using available energy assets. Notably, GIS-based mapping of energy assets will be advantageous to India and it will help in accelerating the policy making process. Well, that is all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.